Okay, this is the Mountfield HW531PD. It's a 53 centimetre cut. It's got HW in the name, means it's got the high rear wheels. It's got a 160cc Mountfield engine. Great value for money, this machine. Comes with a 5-year warranty, and this machine is really feature packed. Okay, so this machine is a 4-in-1. So at the moment it's set up for collecting the grass. We can take the grass box off and we can throw the grass straight out the back of the machine. So this is a rear discharge. It's also capable of taking a mulching plug as fitted here. And the mulching plug gives you a nice collected finish without collecting the grass. As you can see, very simple and easy to fit. Or we can set the machine up as a side discharge. So you just lift that up and click in the side discharge flap, and it's held in place by the flap itself because it's sprung loaded. One of the other fantastic features on this machine is that you can store it very simply and easily. You can clip out the over centering cam locks on the bottom and halfway up the handle, and the handles will fold over so the machine will stand in its own footprint. This machine's got 5 different heights of cut adjustment. It goes from 25 to 80 mil, so it's got a really good height range adjustment. The height of cut adjustment is simply done by one lever on the side of the machine. So it's very simple, smooth and easy to use. So this machine's fitted with a really powerful 160cc Mountfield engine. It's a 4-stroke engine, runs on unleaded fuel, and it's got plenty of grunt to get the job done. So a great maintenance aid that's fitted to this machine is a snap-on hose lock connector. Simply snap on your hose, turn on the tap and start up the machine, and it will swish all the water around underneath the deck, giving you a nice clean machine. So it aids with giving the machine a good longevity of life. You can vary the height of the handles with this machine. It's got 3 individual settings. So for small, medium and tall people. We've also got a 70-litre grass collector, and a great little feature on the grass collector is it's got a grass bag forewarning indicator as well. So this machine has got power drive, so it will pull itself along, and it's also got a fantastic new feature that Mountfield have, which is a cone clutch transmission, so it has a really smooth take-up of drive. Okay, so a great feature we have on the HW531 is this front anti-scalp cone. It does 2 things. One, it helps with undulations in the ground so that you don't scalp as we're going over the ground. But 2, you can see the fins in the front, which help with the airflow going through the machine and aids with collection of the grass into the grass bag. Another great feature on this machine, so in conjunction with the front anti-scalp cone, what we have is this finned guard underneath. The reason the fins are there is because it pulls air in from underneath the engine, and it helps to aid with the grass collection into the grass bag.
For peace of mind, this machine, subject to annual servicing, has a 5-year manufacturer's warranty, and as such is supported by our Service Link helpline and 600 Service Link approved dealers across the UK and Ireland, who will be happy to carry out any warranty needs and ongoing maintenance required.